Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to get started with Windows 10. Whether you're using a new computer with Windows 10 or an older machine that was recently upgraded, this lesson will show you the basics of using this version of Windows. Let's dive in. Number 1. Signing in to Windows 10. You'll probably be asked to create a Microsoft account the very time you use Windows 10 if you don't have one already. From this point on, whenever you turn on the computer, you'll need to sign in to that account. To do this, type your password into the box and press Enter. Number 2. Navigating the desktop. Once you've signed in, the first thing you'll see is the desktop. You can think of the desktop as the main workspace for your computer. From here, you can view and manage your files, open applications, access the internet, and much more. Number 3. Opening applications. You'll use the Start menu to open programs on your computer, just like with previous versions of Windows. To do this, click the Start button in the bottom left corner, then choose the desired application. If you don't see the one you want, you can scroll to see a full list of applications. In the example, we're opening Opera. Number 4. Working with files. You'll use the File Explorer to manage your files and folders. To open File Explorer, click the File Explorer icon on the taskbar or double-click any folder on your desktop. Number 5. Searching for files and apps. To search for something on your computer, like a specific file or application, click the search box, then start typing. In the example, we're searching for the Microsoft Store. Number 6. Adjusting your settings. You'll use the Settings app to change the most important settings on your computer, like your network and display options. To open the app, click the Start menu, then select Settings. You can also use the Control panel to adjust your settings, just like in earlier versions of Windows. However, there are some options that can only be accessed from the Settings app, like adding a new user. Because of this, you'll probably use the Settings app more often. Number 7. Shutting down your computer. When you're done using your computer, it's important to shut it down properly. To do this, click the Start button, then choose Power, Shut Down. Tips for managing multiple windows. Windows 10 has several features that make it easier to multitask and work with multiple windows at the same time. Number 1. Snap. Snap allows you to resize windows quickly, which is especially convenient when you want to see two windows side by side. To do this, click and drag the desired window to the left or right until the cursor reaches the edge of the screen, then release the mouse. If you have more than one window open when snapping, you'll be able to choose a window to snap to the other side of the screen automatically. The window will snap into place. To unsnap a window, simply click and drag the window down. Number 2. Flip. You can use Flip to switch between open windows. To do this, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then press the Tab key. Continue pressing the Tab key until the desired window is selected. Number 3. Task View. The Task View feature is similar to Flip, but it works a bit differently. To open Task View, click the Task View button near the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Alternative, you can press Windows key plus Tab on your keyboard. All of your open windows will appear, and you can click to choose any window you want. Number 4. Virtual desktops. Instead of keeping everything open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. This feature wasn't available in previous versions of Windows, and it's especially helpful for managing a lot of windows at the same time. To create a new desktop, open Task View, then select New Desktop near the bottom right corner. Once you've created multiple desktops, you can use Task View to switch between them. You can also move windows between desktops. To do this, open Task View, then click and drag a window to the desired desktop. To close a virtual desktop, open Task View and click the X in the upper right corner of any desktop you want to close. Number 5. Showing the desktop. If you have a lot of windows open at the same time, it can be difficult to see the desktop. When this happens, you can click the bottom right corner of the taskbar to minimize all open windows. Just click it again to restore the minimized windows. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.